now safe to move around the cabin and use your electronic devices.
Hey, is this your first time here? It's my first time here. Well, it's my second time here. Are you going to the parties? I'm going to the parties.
You say startup, but we're not really a startup. What we really are is kind of a start in or a start over.
Hold on, I'm getting an emoji text from my phablet.
We're optimizing digital currency across the Bubbleverse.
Scalable, optimized, logistical, versatile, adaptive toothbrush.
I would even say a start under, you know? We're kind of like a cross-platform start surface.
It's scalable entrepreneurship. It's scalapreneurship.
No, it's okay. I can totally multitask. Yeah, I can whistle and eat ice cream at the same time.